मुकदमा में नहीं जाना, लोगों को नहीं जाने मैं बोला फ्री लॉयर जैसे करो वो पैसा रख नहीं सकते ना जब तक साइन नहीं करो थोड़ा हमारा हाथ में है तो कैसे
DPP-4. This enzyme breaks down gastrointestinal hormones that are released in response to a meal. Because of this, the GI hormones GLP-1 and GLP are able to potentiate the secretion of insulin and suppresses the release of glucagon by pancreas, reducing blood glucose levels. This DPP-4 is an important enzyme associated with immune regulation, converting cellular signals and apoptosis, which is necessary for cellular remodeling. Therefore, due to your lower immune power because of Januvia will result into more severe infections and slower wound healing, which is already a major problem in diabetic people. This DPP-4 enzyme is also work as a suppressor in the development of cancer and tumors. So wait for some time and you may get reports that Januvia may increase cancer in lack of DPP-4 enzyme. In 2008,